Fixing up the ignition barrel, it just blew apart, which is pretty common on the BA and BFs. I don't know if FG's are the same or not. Yeah, just gonna make sure all the springs are in there. There's 2 springs in there, 1 in there, so another spring in there, and this spring. As long as they're all there, and you got the 2 ball bearings, you're good to go. So, just going to use a little bit of grease on the ball bearings just to hold them in place, just like so. Put the ball bearings in place like so. You can see it only goes one way, which is plate goes on top. Bit of a pain in the ass to do this. Yeah. Hopefully it should last a few more years till it decides to do the same fucking thing. It's a stupid design. Show you quickly how it works. Problem with this one is that the little tab's broken off. There, that little tab there. So for now, I'm just going to leave it. So it means you got to pull it back after you start it, back to ignition. These are quite cheap, but to get the tool to pull the old one out is really expensive, really expensive. Yeah, there is a way to make one. I've seen someone do that, so might have a go at doing that later and pulling it out and swapping that. But for now, this will do. You know. So anyway, hopefully that helps someone.